Where's your thumper? There, see?
Where's thumper?
Where's your thumper?
Where's thumper? Here I am. Here I am.
Okay, there's your thumper.
Okay.
All right, we got it.
Out we go, out we go.
Out we go.
Up to go.
Out we go. Don't forget to, Daddy, put on your gloves
Got
so
him,
you can
got
make
him.
some on the
Okay.
floor.
And
What about your hat?
no snowberry grace. And I sit in the snow.
You want Baby
Okay.
Grace to sit in the snow?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
I sit in the snow.
Okay, you try to sit in the snow. Let's see how that'll work out. Okay, come on. Cuidado. Ready? One. Look at those. 2, 3, 4. How do you get in the snow, Joshua?
Okay, let's measure. Joshua, keep walking, keep walking,
walking.
keep walking.
Over here, over
Keep
here.
walking this way. No, this way. Come here, come here, come here. Come this way. This way. I want to measure you against the snowbank. Okay?
Okay.
Sit, Baby Grace,
Go
on the
stand next to
snowbank.
Baby Grace. Go stand next to Baby Grace.
This part is up to my mid thighs. Joshua, up here, over here, come here.
Uphill.
Over here, over here, come over here. Whoa, whoa, where are you going?
Oops.
Oops, oops, oops.
Watch out for
Pull these
Baby
up.
Grace.
I know.
I know.
Let's put Baby Grace in the middle of the snowbank here. Woo!
Up, up, up.
Ready? You want to go up? Ready? Let's go in the middle. Whoa! Woo! You know how to make a snow angel? Do you know how to make a snow angel? Like this. Go like this. Back like this. And go like this, Joshua. Make your arms. Woo! Like that. And then your legs. Oh, this one didn't quite work.
All right, say
much
bye-bye
snow,
to
huh?
everybody. Say bye-bye.
Too much snow, huh?
Bye-bye. This bank is pretty high. It's above my
Hi,
knee.
Baby Grace. Look at Baby Grace wants to crawl, huh? No, I don't think you can crawl on this, Baby Grace. I don't think you can crawl on this. Huh? Ready? Tasha, I'm gonna throw. Look at here. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.